现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
一片是陌路，一片又陌路。
Molu, what does that mean? It means no way out. Hi, I'm Joseph Lin with another Hakka song on ICRT, and a song that maybe you can relate to because with a struggling economy and stagnating wages, as well as rising prices, sometimes we all feel very trapped. Huang Weijie is trying to sing for that group of people living through hard times and how we can overcome these obstacles together and try to find our own values and our own path in life, and hopefully that a bright future is right in front of us. So let's continue to listen to this song by Huang Weijie. Again, it means No Way Out or Molu.
右边是陌路，左边没陌路。捌右边地的修路，捌左边又是一条死路。各位喏，给后背喏，含油啊，给头前喏。哦吼，无门含好，日门含的又加高惨无。用背后背按到人望路，头前按到无头无路。北高一山又一山，头路头路，金马头路。北高一山又一山，头路头路，前面古前路，一片一片后背头前依来无路用背呀，人生是黑不忧苦。前道路，爱咩无法度，路线基错来参顺，看人搭长流，从来就无凝固。前道路，爱咩无法度，爱这那吊唁安度，杭州有路，但是太明沙眼空过嘅吧，听错爱空心度。眉目小是爆水酒，一顺只有一顺福。
这是一首黄伟杰的歌，叫《某路》，就是没有道路、没路的意思哦，是在诉说一群困境中努力生活的人们哦，可能面对经济压力、低薪还有物价飙涨的时代哦，感觉人生四处碰壁，也希望透过这首歌曲让他们找到自我价值，以及走出自己的道路，来迎接光明的未来。All right, Huang Weijie is keeping it positive here on ICRT. Thank you for listening. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.